see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're doing the third video on week 18. My bad bro, like I'm just trying to keep y'all updated on everything that's going on for the week. I feel like some items didn't end up dropping, like the Vans collaboration, which is all good bro. It's gonna end up coming up soon. Hopefully it does, because I really am looking forward to that collab. But we are gonna be seeing a couple more items added on to the drop list, which I did speak about yesterday. That's exactly what I'm gonna talk about today. We actually have the official prices, which I also do want to cover. But if you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Also click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. Actually, I do want to announce that the giveaway is officially over. I'm either gonna announce the winners for the giveaway in this video or in tomorrow's video, so stay tuned for that, because I am gonna announce the winners. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So I do want to start off by talking about all the items that we didn't see in the drop list as far as yesterday went. I'm gonna talk about this velour tank top right here. This is something that's definitely not my cup of tea, something that I probably wouldn't even end up going for. $78 for this tank top is low-key kind of steep as well, so I'll probably just steer away from it. I feel like for this price you can go ahead and buy 2 tees and just call it a day. You get 2 items, bang for your buck. This tank top is type dookie, but hey, if you're into tank tops, this might be for you. I don't even see branding on this shit, so I'm definitely gonna sleep on it. Next up, we got this nameplate crusher. This is just like the hat that dropped a week or 2 ago with the little nameplate right there on the front. That was alright, but honestly, as far as this crusher goes, I just feel like it's not as good as the boonie that released last week, so I feel like I would probably end up sleeping on it. It is at the bottom of the list, and it also is retailing at $54, which is low-key kind of steep. Like, I'm good on the $54 joint. We do got this lenticular visor camp cap. I do not know what lenticular means, but I'm gonna go ahead and just wing it. It kind of looks like the little posters that when you look at it from one side it looks different than from the other type shit, so I feel like that's what it is. It probably has like double branding illusion type vibes right here. I'm good on this shit. The black one isn't that bad, the olive ain't that bad, but that red with the olive is low-key throwing me off. Definitely either the red or the black, because it has the same color brim, smoother. It just vibes a little bit better, but I'm definitely gonna be sleeping on that shit. We got this shade rayon short sleeve. This is actually low-key a vibe. It gives me that El Chapo shirt that they dropped earlier in the season, which low-key I just missed out on. I don't even remember when that shit dropped, but I did want it when it first came out. This is a fire ass shirt, definitely in that all black colorway. It just looks clean. You could wear that shit with some trousers and just have like that European vibe. But that other one is actually pretty cool. The multicolor one is not that bad. I'm assuming this is like a dictator from like Colombia or some shit like that. That's what I remember this person as. I don't really know exactly who he is, and I'm not gonna sit here in front for you, but I do have a feeling that he's either like a dictator, a drug lord, one of those two things. One thing I do want to say is that the Ichi the Killer tee is $52, which is a little bit steep, but once again, it is a long sleeve. I'm still gonna go for this shit. I feel like low-key people are sleeping on this long sleeve. This shit is actually hard and people snoozing, bro, but it is what it is. This pitbull tee kind of grew on me a little bit. I feel like it looks a little bit lazy, so I'm probably not gonna end up going for it, but it's not that bad. I might even buy it to raffle it. $38 for all the regular tees. The split tee, which is part of that Ichi the Killer collab type shit, is gonna be $44. We also do have this unseen top, which is to be announced. I don't know exactly the name of this one right here, but it is fire. It low-key has like this Juneteenth vibe to it, if you feel what I'm saying. It's like this dude from the Olympics, then it has like this Supreme branding across the corner. This is actually pretty fire in my opinion. Hey, I feel like this shit is hard. They definitely should have just did this as a regular tee. I probably would have went for it if it was just a regular price, not no $88 type shit, you feel me? Like I would have went for it, but they tweaking with the price on that one. Like who is paying $88 for that? Especially with the regular price tees this week. The regular tees are gonna be $38. The social tee is $38. The marble tee is also $38. The anno domini tee is $38. The lizard and the motion logo are also the same price, so that's a vibe. We do have these water shorts, which are low-key fire, bro. I feel like the water shorts this season low-key have been sleepers, bro. Like, these are actually hard. The gray is fire, the red, all these colors are hard, bro. I can see myself wearing every single color, maybe besides the orange, because I'm not trying to look like an orange peel in this bitch. But these orange ones, they are. The teal ones are fire. The red and the black, come on, bro. Even that gray is crazy. One thing I do want to say is that the umbrella is actually 68 beans. No, like, nah, the price is tripping. I'm not paying $70 for no umbrella unless it's like a Rolls Royce umbrella, and I'm good, bro. They sell $2 umbrellas out here. I don't need a $80 umbrella after shipping. Like, it's just not the way the cookie crumbles, bro. Like, I'm good. Like, they're tripping on that one. But the mesh shorts are $110, which isn't all that bad if I'm being honest. I feel like if I didn't already have water shorts by Supreme, I would probably consider going for these. But right now, honestly, with the Fear of God ones restocking this Saturday probably, I'm trying to be cautious and be smart with what I do, because hey, no, bro, like, I'm good on that. I feel like I'm gonna just hold it out, buy the tees, get up out the building. The Motion logo tee is gonna have good resell. I'm gonna go for that. The lizard tee is probably gonna have good resell as well. I'll end up going for that. I do like the social tee. That one actually grew on me. The anno domini tee is I could definitely do without that one. The marble tee is low-key one that people are sleeping, but I am a fan of. Besides the tees I mentioned, the only one that I probably would need is the killer tee. That one is fire. The Ichi the Killer long sleeve is actually fire. That pretty much is it. The blanket is $108, bro. This is maximum. Like, who is paying $120 for a frisa, bro? Like, I'm not doing it. Like, it just don't make no sense ever. Like, just go to TJ Maxx and spend you $20 and you can get you some nice stuff. Like, I'm good on that one. That pretty much does it for the whole drop list. I just wanted to come here and talk about the items that I didn't cover in yesterday's video or the day before. The Vans are actually postponed, I'm assuming, until one of these following weeks, because they are saying that they're releasing this season. It's kind of a bummer that they're not releasing tomorrow, but hey, it is what it is. I'm gonna end up going for some of these tees and just get straight up out the website. Definitely do need that Motion logo tee. That's probably my favorite one. There's a couple of the tees that are actually bangers though. There's a couple of them that are lazy, but it is what it is. I guess that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you slap a like on it. Subscribe if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And also, do not forget that I will be announcing the winners of the giveaway at the end of tomorrow's video, so stay tuned. I'm gonna make sure to keep you guys posted, and I will let you know once I do choose the winners. Best of luck to each and every one of you guys who entered the giveaway, and stay tuned, stay subscribed, because I promise you guys there will be many more where that came from. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.